Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Easy Unreal. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to set up a realistic true first-person movement template in Unreal Engine 5. And this template is super easy to use. I will show you later how to set up these things. It's free, absolutely free. This will really boost immersion and make your games feel way more dynamic. Before we dive in, if you are into Unreal Engine tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps the channel grow and you'll never miss a new video. Now let me show you how this looks. This is a demo from the Fab Marketplace and it really looks awesome. As you can see, we have a intro animation. If I look down, you can see your legs. You can crouch, you can jump, you can sprint. If you press shift, you can see your head bob. I'll show you how to remove this head bob. If it's for me, it's not that good, so we can just easily remove it. You can press right click to zoom in. If you're making some game, you can zoom in to check things out like this. And I must say that this is super awesome. If you sprint and press C to crouch, you can slide. So let's jump into the tutorial. I'll show you how to download it and how to install it and how to customize it to your needs. The first thing we want to do is to go to the Fab Marketplace and over here add this into your library. I will leave the link in the description so you can easily access this. You can see the images over here so you can preview how this looks, or you can download the demo over here. But let's add it to our project. So if you add it to your library, after that go to your Unreal Engine launcher and go to the library, and over here make sure that you click this refresh the Fab items. After that, under the search, just type in true and you can see this realistic true first person and click create project. Unreal Engine doesn't allow characters like this and we will create a project. Okay, I created two projects, so don't worry, just click on your project and it will launch Unreal Engine 5. And on the left side you can see this TFP movement. If I click play right from this view, you can see if I press F11 that we can see our body and it is moving very nicely. We have a head bob, and if you press shift it will run, and if you press the C on your keyboard you can see it will crouch, and you can see the shadow over here. Right now you don't see, but we can see on the shadow that if you press Q and E it will lean to the left side or right side. Also if I stand up and try to run, and now I press the crouch button, it will slide. Okay, run, holding shift and press C, it will slide. If you want to learn more about this, just go to the documentation and we have all the key features of this true first person template. We have a visible body, we have crouching and jumping, sprinting, aim offset and turn in place, zoom mechanic and head bobbing. Okay, zoom mechanic, and press right mouse button, you can see it zooms. And you can see that add a land animation and sliding mechanic. This is land animation when you are landing from a high position. What if you want to customize and extend your character? For example, the first is adjusting the movement speed. So to change that, we go to content, we go to our TFP movement, go to blueprint, go to player and open this BP gameplay player. Go a little bit down and under the sprinting input over here, and over here you can change this maximum walk speed here and maximum walk speed here, and just play with these values so you can see the difference. This template comes with a head bobbing sensitivity, so we can change also that. Go to effects and you can see this head bob, open it up. And you can change the head bobbing for sprinting, walking, when you are landing, when you jump, when you idle, for example, when you walk. And if you want to remove this head bobbing, just put this oscillation duration to 0, just put everything to 0 and hit compile. Now when we are walk, we'll save everything. We don't have a head bob, so let's, as you can see, we don't have a head bobbing. But when we are idle, we have a head bobbing, so when moving, no head bobbing. We are running, we have head bobbing, and when we are crouching, we have head bobbing. So you need to change all this. For example, idle, jumps, landing and sprint. Also put this to 0 to change the head bobbing. And this is it from this video. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. As always, check out the channel for more tutorials like this. I'm always trying to cover something that is easy to set up and easy to use, because I'm lazy as ever. I wish you a nice day. See you in some other video. Bye bye.